Bit teams, are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the German Grand Prix is underway. Come on, Timo Glock, you can do it. Light him up. Ow! Oh. Come on, Timo. Great arriving. Keep focused. Come on, Timo. Oh. Looks like Timo Glock is in the lead, but Michael Schumacher is second and Sebastian Vettel in third. Okay. Go get a fuel for ready, please. Aye, aye, sir. Kid, where's the fuel? Oh no, kid. Right, Timo. Pedals in the middle. Timo Glock is in the lead on this German Grand Prix. Come on, Timo Glock. You can do it. Light him up. Ow! Oh. Come on, Timo. Great arriving. Keep focused. Come on, Timo. Oh. Looks like Timo Glock is in the lead, but Michael Schumacher is second and Sebastian Vettel is third. Okay. Go get the fuel for ready, please. Aye, aye, sir. Kid, where's the fuel? Oh no, kid. Right, Timo. Pedals in the middle. Timo Glock is in the lead, but he's coming for his pit stop. Timo Glock was coming for the pit stop, and the Marussia team is fast enough. Come on, Timo Glock, come on! It was a... Glock was catching Webber. That's a good pit stop, dude. Amazing, high five. Man, it was not. Hang on, what are these? They're wheel nuts. They can play to your tires, gonna have a good little put on. What if Timo's? Timo Glock takes the third. Excuse me, Timo. Brilliant, thanks. Well, on the left side. Timo, who's got a puncture? Kid, look what you've done. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best today. Timo. I think so. This is about going to be end of a race. It's Michael Schumacher who's in the lead. Oh, look at that. Schumacher's made it final corner to the finish line. He can't get through. He's going to lose. Hey, I need your help. Like you up enough today, dude. Alright. Hey, ow! The barrier? Dude, you better be right about this. Timo Glock, winner!